Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Latch Knob. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new latch knob. The latch knob goes on the end of the latch assembly to help you unlock and lock the door. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the latch knob, we're going to put the latch in the middle position, and then we can come from underneath with the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screw that holds it on. Once you have the screw out, you can pull the latch knob off the latch. Here's the old latch knob next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new latch knob on, you just have to line it up on the latch and push it on. Once you have it in place, we can use a Phillips screwdriver to put the screw in. Once you have the screw tightened down, we can close the latch, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.